Hey, what is going on, guys? It's your boy coming at you with a brand new video, and today it's going to be a little bit of a YouTube tutorial, just a little bit, and basically I'm going to be showing you, if you haven't read the title already, how to make microwave poached eggs. Alright, let's get right into the YouTube tutorial. Alright, so first you want to grab your clean coffee cup, and then you want to take your egg, and no, first, then you want to You want to take your water, fill it up, 1/3 cup, okay, and then like that, and then you just want to get your egg real quick. Get your egg, crack it, get the egg in there, like that. And then you want to take that, put that over there, and then you want to get a plate, put that in there, no, and then cook it for 80 seconds on power level 6. But don't actually cook it, just kidding. And then you wanna take it off. No, first, no, mom, I'm trying to make you proud. And then you empty it out, you drain the water, and then you put it on there, and you season it up, and bada bing, bada boom, bada bing.